How to check Snapchat login activity. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check Snapchat login activity. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you just have to tap on the option labeled as two-factor authentication. So there, just tap on it. And now here on the next page, there you'll see the option labeled as forgot devices. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, now you'll see a list of the devices that have logged into your Snapchat account. So there you can take a moment to check the list carefully to make sure all devices belong to you. And that's it. That's how you can check Snapchat login activity. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.